Good evening, everybody. We're just walking around this streets in Saudi Arabia. I'm not sure. It's near the Holy Shrine area, and we're here for, I don't know, just to see if there's anything to buy regarding to clothing and these kind of stuff. It's a pretty old door, I would say. It's one of the more traditional doors that you can see within the country. And
it was at this moment he knew he fucked up.
Today was supposed to be like a marty, like the day of the murder of one of these Islamic Shia leaders, and it's pretty busy. I just want to clarify that majority of Middle Eastern countries that I've been, especially those ones that are mainly Shia Muslims, maybe also in places like India, there's locations that are like separately for one item only. For example, this location is more known for like clothing, not too expensive clothing, but there's that thingy, what you call that, shoe place was no difference to the UK kind of price, like £50 per shoe, which sounds crazy for being fake. That's the problem. That's not worth it. Because I know shoe brands out there in the UK with the sales are going to be, you probably get a better value. I'm alright for £20, but like 50 is like, it used to be like a day's worth of working. It's kind of over to me. And yeah, good old days when these were legal in the UK. Never had one, but I've used one. But they were terrifying until you know how to ride them. Yeah. There was another invention that also got banned because of dangerous driving. One of these like Swigway kind of technology, but with a you used to see it in Istanbul airport, the old one, not the brand new one. And yeah, this area has a lot of thieves as well. The eyes are like, who the heck is this dude filming? Especially in a country that is so, the people are so damn closed-minded, especially coming into the more touristy areas, which majority of the people are much more less fortunate. I would rebrand it. And yeah, it's interesting when you come to these religion tourism. It's interesting. You see a lot of more like, you see tourists also begging for money, which I've seen that from backpackers in places like Thailand, India. The locals were like basically saying, if you just can't afford to travel, don't come. That's another thing. Yeah. pastry, I think. We don't have that anymore. We do, but I mean, like, we used to think we had to basically do everything in mathematics manually without a calculator, but because of physics we became calculators, in my own experience, because higher physics was a lot easier than National 5 mathematics, in my opinion only. And yeah, this is it. I love how I don't see any planes coming by or going. These are scattered. These are like snacking kind of stalls that are, I think, yeah, it's run by a company called Razavi, which they also run the restaurant, I think. I'm not sure if they're different departments for sure, but I think under what is under one parent company, basically. And just look at the shambles. It's like, wow. In my opinion, they should have just made this place to be publicly not available for like personal cars, like just like taxi services to, like, I've forgotten the terminology, what they used to say, but this specific area up to the Holy Shrine. Yeah. This location is mainly for the handcrafted items. If you really want to buy something that's like locally made, I don't know about, yeah, locally made craftsmanship and this kind of stuff, and it's basically like almost like what you call the wholesaler, but it's more still like a normal shop. It's way a lot cheaper than other locations within the city, especially in Sajjad, because you can see the exact same product over there, but the prices of their ancestors. And yeah, this is a very high risk place regarding to just look at that. People are like somewhat celebrating. So another day. It doesn't look this busy or seat. It's probably been my 5th or 6th time that I've been here, especially in the cafe area, but I'm going to try to see if I can book some day on this Saturday or Sunday. I need to see if they've changed the opening time on the rooftop, because it's usually damn packed here for 7 p.m, which is a problem for me for the sake of what do you call it, view. But the main view is the Armitage tower in that distance. And yeah. So guys, we're at our seat once in a lifetime again, but we finally came back upstairs to its restaurant, which we ordered a Caesar salad with chicken and bacon and chorizo, like bacon and Detroit style pizza. It looks good already. Nice sharpness from the, I don't know if they put vinegar in the dressing, but there's definitely a a taste of mustard, but not too strong. Nice and balanced, not light, not over. I'm going to grab some of I think it's garlic bread, like croutons kind of. Let's see what's it like. This is worth it. I haven't seen the price yet, but so I'm gonna try the mojito before I try anything else. It's an interesting, unique flavor. The base is a bit crunchy, which is a good sign. Interesting new flavors, like herbal kind of flavors. Foam kind of consistency. Cream cheese has like a garlicky, truffly kind of taste, which actually elevates the thingy, the pizza. So we're just gonna walk down back home. Wow, this is the new peak. It looks way better. Apparently this turned into, this used to be a fast food joint, now it's a gym, which is ironic. Okay, this is